Hi, welcome to today, which is the third tip in improving relationships. Today's title is Listening to the Talking Stick. What's a talking stick? This is a talking stick. It was developed by the Native American culture for their tribal meetings. And the talking stick is such that it creates a container for communication, for peaceful and efficient communication. So the person who holds the talking stick is the only person that gets to talk. And everyone else has to listen in a very neutral and empty and peaceful way. So many years ago, for our little nuclear family, my husband and I created a talking stick. We've actually created many. And when we were having problems as a family, we would call a family meeting and out would come the talking stick. And whoever's holding it gets everybody else's undivided attention. And they get to talk as long as they want to talk. And everyone else has to listen quietly. Now, this is not a magic wand. That is not to say that many times we would interrupt each other and then the person holding the stick would go, I've got the stick. And at that time, we would all try to settle down and we would try to listen. So in the years to follow, I've created many talking sticks for clients who I'm doing a wedding ceremony for them, and then this becomes my gift to them. Now, the thing about the talking stick is that it not only creates this possibility of really speaking your truth without being interrupted, and kind of says, oh, this is my space. This is my time to speak. And I'm going to be really careful about what I say. I'm going to be so impeccable with my speech. But the thing that's really more important about the talking stick is listening to the person who's speaking. It's very hard. It requires a lot of practice. When I'm listening, what am I thinking? Are they agreeing with me? Do they disagree with me? Are they wrong? Am I right? What's going on in my body? No, I want to interrupt. I want to share my point of view. I disagree with them. All these things that rise up. And the real practice of listening to the talking stick and the person who's speaking is to settle in your body, to empty your body, and to open your heart. Can I stay curious about what they're saying without having to have an opinion about it? Can I see how maybe what they're saying really shifts my point of view a little bit? Can I listen in a way that doesn't make them wrong and me right? So, what I invite you to do today is to set up a time with either your partner or your family or your friends and create a talking stick together. There's something about the creation of it, finding the stick. How do I want to decorate it? Do I want to put beads on it? Do I want to paint it? Like, what would this mean for us as a communication container? And then to practice speaking your truth, and more important, to practice listening to somebody else's truth. Thank you.